Hey, planner babes, welcome back to my channel. This is Shonda of Pretty Face Plants, and I have some more happy mail. Okay, so recently I went ahead and signed up for the latest subscription. I saw a preview for this on Instagram from Oso Paper, and I was like, oh, I gotta have it. So after many months of looking at the subscriptions and seeing people get their subscription box, I finally signed up for the Oso Paper monthly subscription just to try it out, and I think I'm going to love it. But that's what has arrived. That's the happy mail that has arrived here today. So if you're interested in seeing the March Oso Paper subscription box, just keep watching. I had to tear it all up, but I have not taken the things out, so let's take them out now. Envelope away. Okay, I already love it. It comes in this cute little pie. Oh my God. Okay, I'm getting too excited. Okay, it comes in this cute little pouch, which is different. Most of the subscription boxes that I have come in a box. So I'm going to stop calling it the subscription box. I'm going to call it the monthly subscription. Okay, so let's open this pouch and see. I love the colors already because it's pink and green, and I love that color combination. So let's see what we get in here. Like I said, this is my first one. And I love this pouch. Okay, so I don't know where to start. So let's just start with the first thing I see that already has me gasping, which is this cute little planner charm or keychain or whatever you want to use it for. Let's take it out of the box. These little characters are so cute. This is a acrylic piece here. A little jump ring is kind of open, and then you have the chain with the lobster claw, and then the pink tassel. It's so cute. Love it. Okay, then you have a little adhesive pouch here, and inside the adhesive pouch you have another adhesive pouch that has the cute little floral sprays on it, and then it has the orange color that matches, coordinates with the kit. So two adhesive pouches. This one is a little wider, and this one is shorter, or taller. It's slightly taller, and then definitely more narrow. So two adhesive pouches, and then inside the adhesive pouches I have, this is a little magnet. It's cute. I'm going to put it on my dry erase board at work, and you have the girls and they're doing each other's hair. That is so cute. And then you get that in a this is the monthly sticker called You Grow Girl. And then so the differences I notice here is this one is more dark skin, and then the magnet is more light skin. Either way, they're both cute. So get those. Then this is 123 stickers on 10 sheets, and it's the March 2021 You Grow Girl collection. And the colors are orange, a dark green, a pink, a lighter green, and then a darker, no, that's that orange, I guess. I don't know. Okay, so let's open it up and see the 10 sticker sheets. So excited. This is so cute. It's a little, oh, it's a sticker book. Come on, if I can get it out of the package. There we go. So it's a sticker book, And you get two girls on this sheet, Zahara and Cicely. Love Cicely's and Zahara's dress. They are so cute. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of each doll. And you have a larger one, 2 medium-sized ones, and 2 small ones. That's Zahara and Cicely. Then on this page you get Hannah and Raina. Cute, cute, cute. Love her African prints, tribal prints, skirt and head wrap. Same thing to her. Plant Mama is what her shirts say. Oh, and Raina is who this is on here. Plant Mama, Raina. And she has on her pink head wrap and her ruffled tiered skirt. Let me see if I can zoom this in a little bit. Okay. This one is Carmen, and then Carmen has on a maxi dress with a tribal print on it. I guess that's a maxi dress. It may be a jumpsuit. And then this is the everyday girl for the month, and I love her green high-waist pants and her off-the-shoulder blouse with the orange striped shirt. Orange, yellow, and green, white striped shirt and matching head wrap. Okay, on this next page you have some full boxes with the dolls on them. They're sitting on a bed. They surrounded by plants. She has her little hanging egg chair, and they're sitting in a room full of plants. This is like a little strip of plant washi, 2 quarter boxes, and then some. No, these are, yeah, those are quarter boxes, and then like some little functional stickers with little leaves on them. So cute. I love it. I love the colors. So colorful. Okay, then another same setup but with different stickers. Her watering the plants on her little balcony. The Plant Mama sitting in her room full of plants. A little strip of washi on the side. A functional quarter box, and then a decorative quarter box, and then 2 more little functional stickers down there. Okay, then here we have some clear functional stickers. These tell you to water your plants. Note to self, payday, there's a bill due, April Fool's Day, National Pet Day. So these are some important dates in April. Tax Day and Earth Day. Next up, you have a little box with, let's see, it's those separate. So 2 separate functional boxes, and then 2 checklists, a weekend banner. Oh, I'm sorry, you got 4 in all of the colors of the kit. Then you have this decorative You have this decorative sticker sheet with some of the dolls and some plants you can add around your spread. And then this page, some more dolls, a couple of quotes. Let the good thoughts grow. Life is short by the plant. There is no such thing as too many plants. I agree. Although I'm a plant murderer, I'm trying to do better. Then you have 1, 2, 3, 4 plants on that sheet. And let's see what else. You have some Zoe stickers, and she has her little gardening gloves and her little spade. And then some plant leaf icons, little headers, page flags, and then a little quarter box with some dolls, and you can write things in there. And that is the You Grow Girl sticker sheet. I think this is the first time this kit has included a little sticker book with 10 sheets in it. I like it. Hope she keeps that up, because now I'm a subscriber and I'll get one every month. Okay, this one is a big sticker that says Life is Short by the plant. Real cute. Here we have a little postcard that goes with the kit, You Go Girl. And it says, do you love this month's box? Visit Oso Paper on March 1st for more for more from the You Grow Girl collection. So you get some more stickers. You can get some personalized notepads, which I already ordered the personalized notepads. And then subscriber only access, I'm going to have to go check that out. Subscriber only freebies, because I am a subscriber now, so I'm going to go check that out in just a minute. But look at that little postcard. I plan to use it to make me a dashboard and stick it in my planner. Okay, and this is the Everyday Girl on this. I don't know what I'm going to call. I don't know what this is called. So if you know and you're a subscriber, please comment below and let me know what this is called. But it is, excuse me, a dry erase checklist that I could use it for. Today is my day. You got the little checklist and notes and other things. Sorry about that. And then finally, I have a monthly budget dry erase sheet. So you have monthly budget, the month, remaining income, spending, expense tracker, and that carries over onto the next page. And then what you were able to put in savings, and it has the little dolls on there. So I love it. I'm glad I finally signed up. This first kit was one of the, it was a good one to get in on it. It was a good one to get in on the subscription on, because I love everything about it. It is so cute. The cute little dolls. I love the color combinations. And I love my new little tassel. I don't know what I'm going to put this on, because I am a happy planner, and I don't think it will go on the happy planner, but I'll find somewhere to kit it. Oh, I forgot, I didn't see this cute little enamel plant. Okay, so let me know what you think about the Oh So Paper March monthly subscription. I love it. Also, if you're not already a subscriber, I'd love to have you as a subscriber. And how do you become a subscriber? You know what to do. Hit that red subscription button. Go ahead and hit the gray notification bell as well, so whenever I post a new video, you'll be notified. It's been real, guys. It's been fun. Let me go water my plants. I hope it's been real fun. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.